Hey dear, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to change language in Grammarly. Do you want to change the language in Grammarly? It's super easy. Just follow me throughout the video. Open Grammarly. Launch Grammarly either as an app or via the browser extension. Now go to Setting. Click on the Grammarly icon and then click on the Setting option. Once you click this Setting option, you will see Language. In the Setting menu, find the Language section. You will see options like American English, British English, Australian English, and many more languages. Choose the one you prefer. Make sure to save your changes. And that's it. Grammarly will now use a selected language for all its suggestions. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy writing.